Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy roast chicken. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and pat the chicken dry, then season inside and out with salt, pepper, and herbs. Truss or tuck wings for even cooking and place on a rack above vegetables or onions to collect flavorful drippings. Roast until juices run clear, then rest the bird to redistribute juices before making a pan gravy from concentrated drippings and stock. Massage softened butter and herbs under the skin for flavor and moistness while the exterior crisps in the oven. Pat the skin dry and season generously with salt and pepper to enhance browning and seasoning throughout. Add aromatics into the cavity and arrange vegetables in the pan to elevate the bird and collect savory juices. Allow the chicken to rest 10 to 15 minutes after roasting so juices settle before carving. If this guide is helping you, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel and keep recipes coming. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which listens to voice control and keeps floors spotless while you tend the roast. A small kitchen miracle I honestly enjoy. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a drink. Now let's get back to the video. After the bird rests, pour off most fat from the roasting pan, but keep brown bits and some concentrated juices. Deglaze the pan with stock or a splash of wine, scraping the fond into the liquid, then strain to remove solids. Return the liquid to a saucepan, reduce to intensify flavor, and whisk in a roux or beurre manière to reach a silky gravy that coats a spoon and complements the roast chicken perfectly for serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.